Hello everyone, today we will do frog position, how to stretch for that exercise. I will show you now some elements which you can do at home and stretch good. So let's stay with me and we will get working. First what you'll start to do, you'll take two legs together and working strong leg 1, close, 2, close, 3, close, 4, close, working leg 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I will take from this position, working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's work more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will take it in this side, and what I will do, we will now go in frog position, but not forget to do this exercise on another leg. Let's work and take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay in this position, take two legs together and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe, it takes me likes, and going to watch my other videos with stretching. So bye bye.